channel. I'm going to talk to you about my testimony with the RVP Crown for Success program. Crown for Success is an online fast-growing network for soulful, ambitious boss ladies on Instagram. We're also a coaching and mentoring business to motivate women to reach their highest potential both in business and mindset mastery. I'm your host, Lori Lee Lapid, and I'm proud Regional Vice President for Crown for Success and also the owner of the TheTikiGirl.com. I'm going to talk to you about my experience with the RVP testimonial. My experience has been truly amazing, and I'm one proud girl to share my experience. When I look back on my first day, I was nervous and there were a lot of things that I didn't anticipate. It's obvious for someone who was done with their studies and wanted to get real opportunities to earn her living, one had to be really smart enough to tackle practical life situations, and I was just figuring it all out. I got to know the Crown for Success from an Instagram story, and I thought, giving it a shot because I wanted to get better in my life by earning more and having the skills that are really needed in my professional life. I opened the website link and everyone had positive things to say about their experience and all. This made me believe that I can be something as well, so I decided to join the group. I believe I made the right choice by joining this program in the first place when I got put in one of the WhatsApp groups. And it was before we were even given our first homework assignment. Women were chatting about their assignments and business ventures and other stuff. Everyone was friendly and open to ask and share their advice on any matters. All the ladies were supportive with each other, and it all brings out the positive energy for the recruits. It is one of the things where you feel important and part of a growing community and sisterhood. The course module and assignments were really on point. They contain knowledge that can be used in real life. The course modules were designed to help women regarding, empowering them by opening new business opportunities while keeping the budget low. These training courses weren't phony textbook knowledge, but based on real practical knowledge that is enough to empower women to achieve their goals. The information was simplified to reach the level of a common person, which made it easy for everyone to understand and benefit from it. I love the self-exploration section. It's one of the best things that has ever happened to me, and I got to know various self-reflective exercises. Knowing myself and my needs have helped me set perspective in life. I still keep a journal and write on it, and I'm sure this will help me to evolve on a continuous basis. There's some of the exercises I got to know my skills and weaknesses that can be used in challenging situations. There were a lot of things that I was suppressed due to different circumstances in here, and I bring them out and I'm able to face them to make myself better. Not only I faced them, but I got to heal the wounds that were the reason for not trusting myself enough in the past. And now I feel confident. The basic coaching mentoring for the women to figure out their true selves through this RVP course is a remarkable initiative. One of the greatest things about this initiative is that it's not limited to one type of women, only as it broadens its horizons and take anyone in who is passionate about something, who's looking to make some extra bucks by learning a few skills, and for those who think they have the potential to become entrepreneurs but are trapped in social responsibility somehow. This Regional Vice President program is for anyone and everyone. So this program takes on recruiters from everywhere around the world. Throughout the course, they will let you figure out yourself and empower you to fulfill your dreams by building a purposeful and profitable business. It is about getting ready to start about something that satisfies your soul. And the best yet, Wendy and Johan has always been there to answer any questions, whether you feel stuck or you're lost or you need clarification to get you to graduate and succeed, which made this experience even better. Lastly, I would say that this forum has really been a great experience for me. I got to take a deep dive into finding my true self and bringing out the best of me. I'm ready to embark on new ventures with all the experiences I have gained through the RVP program. In this fast-paced modern era where everything is forgotten as time passes by, this is one has left an impact in my life forever. This tenure here has been shortened because all the interesting stuff, the months turn into weeks, and here it is all completed and done. Now I'll be having my certificate soon via email and one-on-one interview with the lovely queens Wendy and Johan. I'm glad to have been part of this program. I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in scheduling an interview with the RVP program, please click the links below or feel free to reach out to me and comment or send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook at the Tiki Girl, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping!